What's up guys? Welcome back to the TenorShare channel. The iOS 15 is just recently released, which brings so much exciting new features like live text, do not disturb mode. They are just amazing. But you must have noticed that SharePlay is missing in your FaceTime. Fortunately, it's available on the iOS 15.1 public beta. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this public beta on your iPhone, so you can use the screen share right now. So, let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Go to beta.apple.com. Swipe down and find the Sign In option. Go ahead and tap on it. Sign in with your Apple ID. And then, here is a guide for the public beta. Scroll down, tap Enroll this device to get started. Here you can archive a backup if you want, so we scroll down to the Install Profile section. Go ahead and tap Download Profile. Then tap Allow and close the pop-up. Now in Settings, we'll see the Profile Downloaded option. Inside it we can see the iOS 15.1 public beta profile. Go ahead and tap Install. Then let's restart the phone as requested. Once it boots up, we head to Settings again. In General, Software Update, we'll see the option to download and install. Tap on it to proceed. Once downloaded, we can go ahead and tap Install Now. The progress bar will be showing up on the screen. Once the phone restarts, you'll get a message that your iPhone has been updated to iOS 15.1. And in the About page, we can see the software version is updated as well. Now let's go to the FaceTime settings and check it out. See, there it is. Now we got the SharePlay. Go ahead and watch our another video here to learn how to use it. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. See you.